Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings with Windows plus I. This is faster than hunting menus. Once Settings is open, choose System and then Power and Sleep so you can see screen and sleep options together. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account if you plan to change power plans or advanced settings. This step locates the controls you'll adjust and explains why admin access matters. Without it, some options remain locked, so check your account before proceeding to specific sleep time adjustments. Now you change the actual timeouts. You'll see separate drop-downs for screen and sleep, and different values for when the PC is on battery versus plugged in. Pick shorter times on battery to save power. Once done, click Additional Power Settings on the right to open Control Panel Power Plans for more control. Make the selections and explain why. Shorter sleep preserves battery life, while longer or never prevents interruptions during long tasks. Keep in mind which power state you're editing. Finish by opening Change Plan Settings and then change Advanced Power Settings. This is where sleep, hibernate, and lid actions live, and why you use it to fine-tune behavior. Adjust settings like hibernate after, allow hybrid sleep, and USB selective suspend as needed, and explain why. Some devices or peripherals prevent sleep, so turning off selective suspend can help. If the PC won't sleep, make sure drivers are current and run power cut commands or device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.